Wow, it's dark. Sorry about this, guys. Anyway, the Turbo is behind us over there, and as you can see, it's not at the Classic Motor Show at the NEC, it's still outside Zirconite. So I've enlisted my friend Ben over here and his car trailer. If you have a car trailer, you are guaranteed to make friends. You may recognise Ben as the man who usually holds the camera at the Gaydon Gatherings. I think this might be a challenge. That car is very low, but we'll give it a go. I don't even want to move this, it's so damn clean. Oh my god. Oh!
Not in gear, not in gear.
Not in...
Just be a gearbox.
Okay, not in gear, handbrake on.
Job done. Good to go.
Woohoo! Let's go! I have bought you a present.
Oh snap, I got your birthday present.
Oh, okay. You ready?
Yeah.
This is Marching Around the World 14 stirring military band performances.
Thank you very much. I'll give you your birthday present.
See, now you think that well, people will be watching thinking that's a stupid joke, but you actually really like this kind of music.
Yeah.
Do you know how much that was?
Go on.
£1 whole pound from a charity shop.
I'm a happy boy.
What's this?
Keyring holder.
No way! Oh my god, that is is that that's a cam, isn't it?
Rocker.
Rocker
shaft.
Oh my god, look at, have you made that? You've made this, haven't you?
Yeah.
That is amazing. Wow. Give me as well. I've got a new little key fob, look. Look. Remove before watching. Team Zirconite, hell yeah. If you've not watched the previous video of getting the Calibra ready, please check it out. The guys at Zirconite spent 3 days getting the Calibra ready. How do you spend 3 days cleaning the car? Oh, I just thought we need paperwork. I've got paperwork in here. Display vehicle pass. 1. Deliver a vehicle pass. Ding! So any vehicles not on display should be removed from the hall immediately. That's in capital letters. Hey, I tell you what, that is an amazing shot on the GoPro right now.
Yeah.
Look at that! Lorry, flashing beacons, tram, Calibra, it's all there. Oh.
Let's go.
Well, I don't know if he stops you.
Is he stopping me?
He is.
Hello, mate.
The island right and straight over, right and left, right and straight.
Yeah.
Third island right, fourth island left. Everybody, yeah, lads?
Yep, that's good.
Cheers.
Not a fucking
2,000 years later.
Down.
Where are we? Criticised for having dirty flaps. Ooh! The car is done. I think I'm happy with it. No, I'm joking. It's wonderful. I'm very pleased. Hopefully plenty of people go see it this weekend and they're going to like it as well. That's it. All done. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have, underneath the video you'll find a thumbs up. Hit that, and hopefully you've enjoyed it enough to hit that subscribe button as well. I've thumbs up. Hit that, and hopefully you've enjoyed it enough to hit that subscribe button as well. I've a subscription from you. Coming up next are the highlights from the Classic Motor Show here at the NEC. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you are at the show, come say hello. See you again soon. So if you've just watched the outro, come with me. This man ruined it. This is Richard from Vauxhall Calibra. He'll be on the stand.